Welcome to Bike Review Pro. While we usually take you on thrilling two-wheeled adventures, today, we're switching gears to explore one of the most mysterious and advanced flying machines ever built, the B-2 Spirit stealth bomber. A marvel of aerospace engineering, the B-2 isn't just a war machine, it's a symbol of unmatched technological dominance, precision, and stealth. Let's dive into the incredible story behind this ghost in the skies. The origins: Cold War shadows. The development of the B-2 Spirit was born out of Cold War anxiety. In the 1970s and early 1980s, the United States was looking for a way to deliver nuclear weapons deep inside Soviet territory without being detected. Traditional bombers were vulnerable to radar and missile defenses, so the US needed something revolutionary. That revolution came in the form of stealth technology. Northrop Grumman took the lead in developing an aircraft that could defeat radar, avoid infrared detection, and slip through enemy airspace like a shadow. The result? A bomber with no vertical tail, a flat profile, and a radar signature smaller than a bird. Design and structure: the flying wing. The B-2 Spirit is instantly recognizable thanks to its flying wing design. With a wingspan of 172 feet, 52 meters, and a length of 69 feet, it looks like something out of a science fiction movie. But every curve, every edge, and every panel of the B-2 serves one purpose: to minimize detection. The aircraft is coated with radar-absorbing materials, and its engines are buried deep inside the wings to reduce infrared signatures. The lack of vertical stabilizers prevents radar reflection, making it extremely hard to detect on enemy radar systems. Even its maintenance procedures are secretive. The aircraft requires specialized climate-controlled hangars and technicians trained in stealth preservation. Power and performance: quiet thunder. The B-2 is powered by 4 General Electric F-118 GE 100 turbofan engines, each capable of producing over 17,000 pounds of thrust. Despite its large size, the B-2 is surprisingly agile and silent, allowing it to glide through hostile territory undetected. Its range is another impressive feature: it can fly over 6,000 nautical miles without refueling and over 10,000 nautical miles with one aerial refuel. That means it can take off from Missouri, strike a target in Asia, and return without landing. Its maximum speed is high subsonic, around 630 miles per hour, Mach 0.95. Speed wasn't the priority in its design, stealth and endurance were. And in that regard, the B-2 is nearly unmatched. Stealth technology: the invisibility cloak. What makes the B-2 so feared is its stealth capability. Its radar cross-section is estimated to be as small as 0.1 square meters, about the size of a pigeon. This means that enemy radars would likely confuse it with a bird or even miss it completely. The aircraft uses multiple forms of stealth. Radar-absorbent materials, RAM. Minimized heat emissions. Noise reduction. Electronic countermeasures. All these features combine to give the B-2 near-total air superiority, allowing it to slip into enemy airspace, deliver payloads, and vanish before anyone knows it was there. Payload and firepower: silent but deadly. The B-2 isn't just stealthy, it's deadly. It has 2 large internal bomb bays and can carry up to 40,000 pounds of ordnance. This includes conventional bombs, JDAMs, Joint Direct Attack Munitions, B-61 and B-83 nuclear bombs, massive ordnance penetrators. The aircraft is capable of carrying precision-guided munitions, enabling it to strike high-value targets with pinpoint accuracy. In nuclear configuration, the B-2 is one leg of the US nuclear triad, alongside submarines and ICBMs. Missions and combat history. Despite its advanced design, the B-2 hasn't seen a lot of combat, but when it has, it made an impact. It was first used in Kosovo, 1999. During Operation Allied Force, where it flew from Missouri to Serbia and back, dropping precision-guided bombs. Later, it played crucial roles in Iraq, 2003, Afghanistan, and Libya, 2011, proving that the B-2 isn't just a strategic deterrent, it's a tactical powerhouse. Its ability to deliver surgical strikes without being detected changes the very nature of warfare. Cost and controversy, billions in the shadows. Each B-2 Spirit has an estimated cost of over $2 billion, making it one of the most expensive aircraft ever built. Originally, the US planned to build 132 bombers, but due to the Cold War ending and budget cuts, only 21 were made. Today, only 20 remain, with one lost in a crash. The high cost has sparked debates: was it worth it? But military strategists argue that its deterrent value, combined with its unmatched stealth, justifies every dollar. Future of the B-2, handing the torch. As advanced as the B-2 is, time moves on. The Northrop Grumman B-21 Raider is currently under development and is expected to replace the B-2 in the coming decades. The B-21 builds on everything the B-2 pioneered: stealth, range, flexibility, but in a smaller, more cost-effective package. Still, the B-2 will remain in service for many more years, undergoing upgrades and playing a key role in both conventional and nuclear deterrence. Legacy: more than just a bomber. The B-2 Spirit isn't just an aircraft, it's a symbol of American air power, technological dominance, and strategic ingenuity. It changed the rules of aerial warfare, making it possible to strike any target on Earth without warning or detection. Its design influenced everything from drones to future fighter jets. And in military history, it will be remembered not just for its shape or its cost, but for what it represents: invisible force. Conclusion: a silent legend. And that's the story of the B-2 Spirit stealth bomber, the invisible warrior that defied the limits of aviation. From its mysterious design to its incredible missions, the B-2 remains one of the greatest aircraft ever built. If you found this breakdown fascinating, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Bike Review Pro. Yes, we ride bikes, but we also fly through legends. See you in the next video, maybe back on two wheels, or in the skies again.